Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how export photos from RawTherapee. So this is the fastest way to export a single photo you are currently working on in the editor tab. So locate the icon, this floppy disk icon. You will see it right here at the top right corner or down here below the picture, or you can use shortcut Ctrl S. So let's go and use this icon. So if I click it right here, now what will happen? It will open up the save option where I want to save that. So let's say right here, or downloads, just like that. JPEG quality, balanced, file format. I can change that. Uh, Save immediately. Okay. And when I'm happy with that, I can change also the name right here at the top. And when I'm happy with that, I just press OK. And now we should see this photo right here. As you can see, it is. Now we have also other way to save it. So if you want to save more photos, so up here we have these photos which are in our folder. So let's say we want to export every one of them. So I will press here on the first one, then go here to the end, shift and click on this last photo. Now I have selected all of them. Right click at the top here and then put to queue. So click on it. And now on the left side, you will see editor, queue and file browser. So let's go to the queue. And here you can see that I have all of the photos which I have selected. Now what I need to do is here to save to folder. So I will select the folder right here. Then I can set file format, JPEG quality, and this one subsampling. And yeah, when we are happy with it, we just start the processing the image in the queue, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.